Hi everyone, I'm Abby.
And I'm Emily.
And we are back with another how-to with SBBlooms, where we recreate trending Pinterest pins with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. And today is a special day because we refreshed our Charlotte collection and she is officially live and available on the website for weddings, events, preview packs, and she's so good. She's right behind us. This is the grand centerpiece. And so today we are showing you 5 different tablescapes with the Charlotte collection that we did for our photo shoot a few weeks back. So that is what we're showing you today, 5 tablescapes.
So the products used in all of the tablescapes are a short gold stand, a grand Charlotte centerpiece, a few sets of our Tulip gold candlesticks, a Charlotte runner, 2 Charlotte Meadows, a Vaseless centerpiece, 4 Charlotte aisle markers, and a gold Candelabra, as well as our pink Tanger Votives.
Yeah, and no tools needed. Well, just zip ties and a wire cutters. And all those products, they are listed in the description below with links so you can shop them directly on our website if you're interested in any of the products featured. But we can now get into it.
Okay, so today we are starting with table 1 out of
4.
Yes.
No, 5.
We're going to start with 1 short gold stand in the center of your table.
Okay, so this is the Charlotte centerpiece. If you haven't seen her online, go check her out right now. But she will come in this scalloped gold vase, which is the same vase we use for our cake collection, but it fits perfectly in our stands. If you don't love this gold vase, you can always pop a meadow on top. Takes away that vase and gives you that same look. So the decor we decided to pair with this, we were sticking with this like super pinky theme, and we're doing our pink Tanger votives. These are our premium votives. It's got some thick glass, it's got this ribbed design, and it comes with a votive. But this is table number 1.
Very cute and classic. Next is our Charlotte large centerpiece. Again, this comes in the scalloped vase and the same design, just in a smaller version than the grand. So we're going to put this on the center of the table. Our large centerpieces are what we recommend for if you just want a centerpiece and put it on the table and go. We recommend all of our larges for the round tables. So this is, you can leave it like this, or you can take it to the next step and add candles like we will do next.
Yeah, we decided to pair it with the Tulip gold candlesticks. It has an antique finish and they come in a set of 3, and all of the candles will come with LED candlesticks. For tables, we like to recommend like 2 to 3 different designs just to keep things interesting. So that's why we have 4. We're showing you 4 different ones. If you're looking for another table idea for a round, the Vaseless centerpiece could also work. It would just be a tad tinier than the large centerpiece, which we have and can show you just while we have it. I think that is really sweet too if the vase isn't your thing and you just want something to sit flat to the table. But again, what you saw at the photo shoot and the photos online is the large centerpiece with the Tulip gold candlesticks.
Yeah, and you can also do votives for this as well if you wanted to, you know, have a shorter candle and let the florals kind of give it a bit of height.
Yeah.
So this is table number 2. Now we're going to move on to 2 of our cocktail tables.
And also the linens we used were a mix of ivory, which we have here, and like an ice pink, which was really cute. We're going to use a rectangle tablecloth, but I want to show you the color, the light pink color with Charlotte. So don't mind that. Okay, first.
Oh, yeah. Y'all get the idea.
It's just the color of the tablecloth with the Charlotte
Yeah.
is nice. So first one is, our first design is a Vaseless centerpiece. So this is table design 3, and then we'll show you table 4 on a cocktail table.
This is a cute little DIY.
Yeah, you know we love our aisle marker clusters, and so we decided to add a cluster to our collapsible gold candelabra. The candelabra comes with 6 different candlestick holders, and again, all of the candles will come with LED candlesticks.
So this is our new Charlotte aisle marker. It has a hook to attach to any chair down your aisle, or like Abby said, we are going to use it as a decor piece. So you're going to take the ribbon that comes attached and wrap it around the center to hide it. So you are left with just a piece like this. Then you are going to do the same thing to the other. Now you are left with 2 aisle markers without the ribbon showing. You're going to nestle both of them together like so. So they're back to back. You're going to attach these with a zip tie. So I'm going to go ahead and attach both together using a zip tie. This is 1, and we have 2 more to do because we're going to attach it to the front and the back of the candle. So here we are just attaching it that way, and then you're going to take the back and attach the other aisle markers.
Then add your candlesticks.
But yeah, this is table design number 4. For the 5th and final table, we are going to use our Charlotte runner. We made this for an arch, so it has 3 points of contact to attach with Velcro to an arch, but you can also use it as a floral runner down the aisle in front of a band stage, on a mantle. There's a bunch of different ways to use this. So today we're going to lay it in the center of this rectangle table.
And then we're going to take our meadow, which has that foam bottom, sits flat to the ground, but we're going to take this and put it at the end of the table. Now we're going to add decor. We're going to use our tulip candlesticks again.
So you will just place them throughout.
I like how they're, we're putting them like deep into the arrangement. It looks like the candles are like coming out of the arrangement, which is cute. I'll just place our candlesticks. Okay.
And then
there you
you're
have it.
done.
All right, and there you have it, 5 tablescapes featuring our new and refreshed Charlotte collection. She is so cute and girly and feminine, and we all hope you love Charlotte's new look as much as we do. And just a little recap on how our how-to series works. So there's a few ways we do this. One way we do this series is this: we show you what we want to show you, and that is what we did this week since the Charlotte is new and we wanted to give her a little love. Another way is that you can submit your request. Form is in the description below. Let us know your budget, what area you need help designing, a collection you're interested in. Drop an inspo picture because that's essential to this whole series. and Emily and I will recreate that for you. Another way is to follow us on Instagram, because sometimes we poll our audience on our stories. You get to choose what collection and what install we do, and we would recreate it that way. So yeah, that is how our how-to series works.
And if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See y'all next week. Bye.